Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set notifications in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. From here we can get started clicking the join eToro option. This is going to enable us to sign up for an account if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can just go ahead and log in normally using the login button right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to get into your account. So once you've done that, you are going to be greeted by the home page where the left side of the screen you're going to be able to see the menu with all the options that you can access for investment tools. So let's go take a look at how to manage our notifications. So here we have an article on the official eToro Help Center, how to manage my eToro notifications. As you can see, to opt in or out from any email and push notifications that you're receiving from us, follow the steps. You're going to go to your notification settings or enter your eToro account and click settings. That's going to appear right here on the left side of the screen in the left hand menu. As you can see, then click on notifications. You can select any of the channels of communication tabs that you want to enable the notifications for, and on the left sidebar select the relevant topic. You're then going to click the button on or off next to the relevant notification. That's going to appear right here, meaning if you want to turn it on or off, and this is how you can get started turning on notifications for eToro. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.